So we've got a couple of new products here at 3DXR. So let's have a look at the first one. This is a turret sort of gimbalized camera. These were available and then they sort of disappeared from the market for a while, and they've came back with the new T10X Pro version. So this is a camera that they used to sell with their Peeper drone. So it's a 10 times zoom, it'll record in 4K and transmit over HDMI. It's got a built-in memory card, but this is one of many now available gimbalized cameras for on your slightly larger drones. We have something I think lots of you will like, for a few reasons. So very popular format now, this wing sort of size and shape. So this is Hollybro's offering. This is a Kakute H743 wing. Now we have this in two options. This one is with the pin headers soldered on already. So I think this is a fantastic, just going to save so many people who struggle with soldering, just to be able to connect up to this very quickly. It's a very nice form factor, maybe slightly smaller than the Matek version. Very feature rich. So I think this will be a really popular product for fixed wing builds. We have a few GPSs in from Matek from the M10 series. So this is the smallest one. So when the Q is on the end, the M10Q, that is the sort of smaller footprint. And this one has the RM3100 compass, and it's also CAN. So it's running AP perif, so autopilot perif. And this is a nice small form factor compass and GPS, and because it's CAN, you can extend those wires without the fear of interference or signal loss, and this really allows a lot of flexibility in where you can mount your GPS and your compass to get it away from sources of interference. So a few of our items we have from QPilot. So the Adhere 4, it has actually been in for a couple of months, but what we've got now is there is a unit starting from next year will ship with a new firmware, and it allows the moving baseline feature. So this is what's going to allow them to be used as a compass. So this is a special feature that has been given by U-Blox, the GPS manufacturer, to only be available on this version of the Neo F9P. So it's not a ZF9P, it's a Neo F9P, and that runs L1, L5. So this is the sort of first one on the market, and it's also the only one to be given this feature. So it has its own custom firmware to allow this moving baseline, which allows you to use them. You can use a pair of these as a compass. And what is just landed is the Adhere 4 base. So this also features that Neo F9P, and this is a really cost-effective base station. Just remember, this does ship without the antenna, so you will need an L1, L5 antenna, but this is a really fantastic product as a base. Really good, these new Neo F9Ps running L1, L5. And also from QPilot, we have this carrier board that is specifically made for the Hexune 450 or the EDU 450. So a carrier board is something that you attach the cube onto. So this one's not screwed in. So the idea is, instead of the traditional carrier board, this is a structural part, but it also has all the pinouts, and this will make wiring so much easier and very neat. It also has on it the ADS-B receiver, so the little ping RX, and various mounting points for things like the Healink, or you can also solder on headers for an RFD radio, but everything's just nice and conveniently located. It's got the built-in current and voltage sensing. So what you would do with this is you would buy the carrier board kit here. You obviously need a cube as well, and then you retrofit it to your Hexune 450 like here. Okay, so we have a new VTOL kit product here. So this is something aimed at, it's like a premium kit that would be used by people in mapping and surveying. So it's by a South Korean company called Third Eye Robotics, and this is the Jiho V2. So we'll probably rename it to something more pronounceable. And as you can tell, it's based on, I suppose, a Skywalker X8. Okay. So it's about 2.2 meter wingspan, just under. What's nice about this, they've had, it's designed from scratch basically, all the moldings. It's configured as a VTOL without sticking wing inserts in, but it, as well as a 4+1 VTOL with a pusher at the back, this can also be done as a tilt rotor on the front, so it can be a quad motor where the front two tilt. And they've got some really nice features built in. So they've put a lot of detail into where you'll mount the components. So ESC bays, for example, servo bays, lots of nice channels for wiring. And we saw earlier the quick connectors, so there's no attaching power or servo cables in the wing. It just pops together for a quick assembly time. So this one is about 8 kilos max takeoff weight, and it can have a 3 kilo payload. The battery will be a 6S, about 16,000 to 22,000. So people might put in here the Sony cameras, A7Rs, A6000s, maybe the oblique cameras. So the nice thing about it is it comes with a couple of molded bays to quickly insert different camera choices. We've also got nice mounts for helical antennas for your running RDK, PPK, or potentially even a differential compass on there. We can mount the motor in the back, so on the rear side it also has a nice tray for the ESC, and in general we just think it's a nice quality kit. It's got a lot of custom injection molded parts, it's got a lot of custom CNC'd parts as well, so it's a bit of a premium, but they're doing a lot of the hard work for you. So it's a nice kit to assemble, and it has all the good characteristics of a long endurance fixed wing mapping platform. So the endurance on this one estimated about 60 to 90 minutes. Hopefully that's been a nice introduction to this new product. Keep an eye on our website over Christmas, as we'll be publishing new products all the time as they come in. And for this festive season, we wish you all the best and a Merry Christmas. And just remember, you can't have too many drones.
Thank you for watching the video. If you watch my videos and find them useful, then please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe button. It helps the channel a lot. If you really like what I'm doing here, you can become a Patreon and support the time I spend helping others and get access to lots of exclusive benefits. Link is in the video description. Remember that all the videos on the channel are organized into playlists, so you can easily use those playlists to find all the videos on a subject that you are interested in. Add Painless 360 to your searches on Google and YouTube, and it'll help you find my content for any particular topic. Thanks again for watching, and as always, happy flying.